What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Topstep to TradingView. So if you're wondering or you're looking for a way to connect Topstep here to TradingView, well, this one is very easy. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to tradingview.com and basically log in into your account. Now, in this case, you need to go and access whichever asset or stock you want to basically use here. So in this, my case, I want to use Netflix as an example. Let's go and choose Netflix. Click on See on Supercharts. Now, in Supercharts, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to the bottom section here. We have Stock Screener, Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and a lot more. But what we're looking for is going to be Trading Panel. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, you want to go and click on All Brokers. And you want to go ahead and just look for the following broker that I'll be showing you, which is going to be TradingView. I'll go ahead and click on it. Now, what you need to do here is you want to go ahead and provide the necessary information here for your account. So either if you want to use a live account here or a demo account, go ahead and choose the appropriate one. Just provide the TradingView username and password here. And also, if you want to remember your account here, just make sure to disable the Don't Remember Me and just click on Connect. Now, once you've done that, that should actually allow you to connect your Topstep account into TradingView. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.